What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. Before we head inside the park, let's see what's going on outside. Absolutely no wait over here at the ticket booth. Security, same situation. Temperature screening, we are right on in too. Yep, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. There is something I want to bring up though. Big Bird weekend. Remember, August 7th, 8th, and 9th. We have different times, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But you can see Big Bird, yeah!
De todos nuestros visitantes y empleados. Por favor, recuerden utilizar mascarilla protectora en distancia entre su grupo y los demás. Gracias y se recibirá en Busch Gardens Tampa Bay.
And as you guys saw a couple days ago, the ride has begun testing again, which is good news. And we can see right here, water dummies in the train. You can see here the lights and ceiling fans are on right now.
Committed to the health and safety of all
they didn't start
employees. Please remember to wear face coverings at all times. Wash and sanitize your hands frequently and keep 6 feet between you.
Look at what I see, informational signs in the queue. Alright, so let's talk about Iron Gwazi a little bit more in detail. The ride has been running for the last couple days, and the wait time sign that's right here was on. Also, the one for the quick queue was also turned on. Fans are on, music was on, signs are installed in the queue. So yeah, I don't know. We shall see if that 2021 rumor is actually going to hold out. Now, if you were to ask me, in my opinion, is the ride going to be opening in 2021? I don't think so. And the reason being is, well, if they get all the work done on this, say, by end of August, early September, and they hand over the ride to Busch Gardens, they're just going to let it sit for a couple months till 2021? No, that wouldn't happen. They'd have to come back here, check everything out again, and then potentially open it. So, I don't know. Will they have an official grand opening? Maybe not. Would they have soft openings possibly? Who knows? But we'll be there for it. Garden Gate Cafe, and we can see right here some new signs right there on the railing. Opens 1 p.m. Friday through Sunday. Draft brews and frozen cocktails. Pink chickens! Yes! Well, it looks like the crane is repositioning a bit. It's been all over the construction site within the last week. Alright, well, this is promising. A guy just came out onto the track area, checking stuff out. Park closed maybe about 20 minutes ago. We might get some test runs. Alright, so the warning sirens just went off. It's about 7:20. Yep, sirens going off again. Another train going up the lift hill, this one with no dummies, so that means we have 2 trains on right now. guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update, day 4 of testing, which is a very good thing if we're looking at a possible 2020 opening. Again, don't hold me to it, but we shall see. Good sign that crews are on site working on all sorts of stuff. Testing has commenced with 2 trains, one right now with test dummies, the other would not, and we know for a fact that a lot of permits have been filed, including fire inspection, which got approved just this morning. So yes, promising stuff. Fingers crossed, we'll see what happens, and of course we're gonna have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.